Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to share Telegram group link. So here you can first open the Telegram app, and here you can see on the first one is the friends group. I created. I will just click it. So now I will just share the link of my group to someone. So what to do? You will just click to the on this friends username, and here you can see in the top corner is the edit button. You will have to click it, and you will just scroll down to find invite links, and here you can just click it, and you can copy the link of group from here, and you can also copy it and paste it from someone, and you can also share directly to another social media apps to share these group links to join it on Telegram. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.